Hello, how's everybody doing today? Today we're going to be talking about using me or mis in Spanish and how to choose which one in different situations. Let's start talking about English. English, my doesn't change regardless whether the noun is plural or singular. For example, my book is the same thing as my books. The my doesn't change. But in Spanish, it's just one step different. This should come automatically after uses of practices, and let's get to it. This possessive pronoun has to agree with a noun. What do I mean by that? Well, if you have a plural, write that down here. If we have a plural, then it has to be mis. When we get into the other possessive nouns, it's all follows the same pattern. We just add an s to it at the end. This s you'll see a lot in Spanish, like almost every sentence, right? So this s at the end of possessive nouns, or possessive adjectives, sorry, I've been saying it wrong. It has to be mis in this case. So let me cancel that out. It has to be mis. But if it's singular, it's going to be, as the name implies, this has to be me. So now that you've gotten a little bit familiar with it, why don't we do the practice here, and then we'll be done for the day. So we look at computadora and we look for the s, indicating it's plural, but we see no s, so that means this is a singular noun, and we need to use the singular possessive adjective. In this case, we would have to use me. Alright, me, because me is singular and the noun is singular. It's only one computer, and so we only use this, and it has no s. About quiero blank libros. We see an s here. We know that this is plural, so we're going to have to use a plural version of this. And so we're going to use quiero mis libros. Quiero mis libros. Yo uso blank calculadoras. Calculadoras is also plural, and so this time we're going to use the same thing as we did here, and we're going to use mis. Well, I hope you guys learned a lot in this video. Keep continuing to practice with it and experiment with it in your own lives. After all, that is the purpose of learning Spanish. See you in the next one.